In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Word document from existing files with Copilot 2024. Start by opening Microsoft Word. You can either create a brand new blank document or open an existing one if you've already started something and want Copilot to build on it. Once your document is open, look for the Copilot icon in the toolbar. Click it to open the Copilot pane on the side of your screen. This is where you'll give Copilot instructions and guide it to the files you want to use. In the prompt box, tell Copilot what you want it to produce. Be clear and direct. For example, you might type, draft a report based on File 1 and File 2. Feel free to describe the tone, the audience, or the outcome you want. The more context you provide, the better the first draft will be. You're not writing the content yourself, you're telling Copilot what to create and which materials to draw from. Next, connect the files you want Copilot to reference. You can do this in two ways. Type /in the prompt box to bring up the file picker, or click the Reference a File button in the Copilot pane. Select the files you need, up to 3. Choose the most relevant and up-to-date versions so the draft reflects the right information. If your files have clear titles and organized sections, Copilot can more easily identify key points, figures, and headings to include. When your prompt looks good and your files are attached, click Generate. Copilot will read the referenced materials and produce a draft directly in your document. This usually includes a logical structure, suggested headings, and content that reflects the source material. It's designed to save you time by assembling a solid starting point, so you can focus on refining rather than writing from scratch. If you want stronger results, make your prompt specific. Mention the purpose of the document, any sections you need, and the desired length or tone. For instance, you could ask for an executive summary style or a more detailed step-by-step write-up. Also, remember that Copilot only uses the files you've referenced, so attach the ones that truly matter. Once the draft appears, read it carefully and make edits to align it with your goals and voice. Copilot accelerates the heavy lifting, but your judgment ensures accuracy and clarity. That's it. Open Word, start or use an existing doc, open the Copilot pane, write your prompt, reference up to 3 files, and click Generate to produce a draft from your existing content in moments.